How to import SoundCloud playlist to Spotify. 1. Open the Spotify application. 2. Select Library. 3. Select Import your music. 6. Select Get Started. 7. Select SoundCloud. 8. Select the playlist to be imported. 9. Select Transfer to Spotify. 10. Select Agree. Success, your playlist from SoundCloud has been imported. Don't forget to like and subscribe.